Hello friends, Parakadia here, and we are going to learn today Microsoft Active Directory deployment in AWS. So first of all, open the AWS architecture. You can find a lot of information over here. You can see that there are a lot of information. So you can choose, you can follow these links for more information if you want to learn. So we are select the Active Directory and it will open like this. So click on it. So it will open the ADDS structure. So this is the structure of the ADDS. Two different availability zone and VPCs, domain controller, you can see that, IDGW, net gateway, and the deployment detail. There's a prepare your AWS account that is already prepared for us. I already made that. And launch the quick start. So you can find three options, three scenarios, scenario 1, scenario 2 and scenario 3. So you can choose any of them. So click on the launch quick start. So you'll reach to this display and we are going to create the stack over here. So you can see here, design the template. If you want to design the template, you can click here and design the template. Choose a template. If there is an existing template, you can choose over here and upload the template in S3. You can go for here. So already it is URL is given here for S3, so it is stored somewhere in S3. So click the next for that, and yeah, we are giving the name over here as you want. Whatever you want you can give. So Parag ADDS project I'll give. There are availability zone 3 because of I am choosing Ohio over here, and so I did change the region from US West or North California. So you can see over here for the next, because I changed the region, so I have to give to name again. It's Parakadia ADDS project. Give the availability zone. I'm selecting 2. You can see the private subnet and public subnet CIDR notations. So I just copy the CIDR and click on here for the remote desktop. Next thing I have to give is the key pair name. You can create the key pair name over here, and if already created, so you can find here I already created in my region. Make sure that key pair in your region it must be, otherwise you can't see from here. And choose the instance type. I choose for T2 large. You can choose as per your requirement. As I'm the student, so I don't need more, so T2 large is there. Give the DNS of, I'm going to give my DNS, and my net BIOS will be whatever you want to give. I give my name over here, it is net BIOS, and add the password. This is my secret password over here. You can give the number of RDGW, remote desktop gateway host. You can say how many as you want. I want only one. And there's the other option for the S3 bucket, so no need that. For next, you can find over here if you want to give the tag, you can give the tag over here to remember everything. And you can give the IAM role, so it is exiting that you can choose from here. So it's and rollback trigger, and I'm going to give next over. You can review this all the informations. So this is the information regarding our stack. Give the acknowledge and just create it. So it will start creation over here. So you can see it will take some time to create this. So you can click on the stack. Yeah, so it will take some time to create the stack in that. So I'm going to the EC2 instance. Yeah, I'm opening it and go to the instance. So one thing I show you is the stack. It will creating over here. See that, guys? It is creating over here, and it is the nested one. So it will create a nested one because it is automatically use the resources as much as it want. So it will take some time for the creating, and you can see, if you want to see, there are a lot of information over here in that. This is my stack name and this is my stack ID. The status of is create in progress, so it is still not created. So you can see over here events, what is event is fire over here, and VPC stack, this is my name, and you can see over here the template, big template over here. There are a lot of code, the JSON template, you can say that. So these are the information regarding the stack. So we'll go back in the stack. So it will in the progress. So this is the creating progress. You can go to the EC2 instance. There is nothing here. You can refresh it. It will find there is nothing over here. So once it's created the stack, it will make automatically instance over here. So let's refresh it. It will still in progress. So it will take some time to creating the stack. Okay guys, so see our stack is created, or our create completed, and in the EC2 management you can see our RDGW remote desktop gateway is running, and status check is 2/2. So it is working. So what I'm going to do next is, you can check all the things over here, the status check, description, these are the security groups. So we'll do it. So go to the security group and select it. The security group is this, and you can see there are a lot of rules over here. So I don't need this much rules, so I'm gonna edit it. So edit the rules, and I just deleted some of them. I'm gonna delete this one, and from the custom I gave my IP, otherwise it will not work. So these are my security group settings. Set, and going to the instance, go back to the instance over here and just connect it. Your security key is already there, so connect it, get password, choose the key which you have already made, and it is on the desktop. Yeah, so my key name is this one, and open it, decrypted. Yeah, this one is my key. Just copy it and download the remote desktop file. You can see over here. So yeah, this is save here, and open it from here. So you will get into the instance, connect. You could see that, and my instance is running. See, there is my instance is running. We are in remote desktop, so we can see that we already reached over there, and yeah, it's opening. We have selected Windows Server 2012 R2, and you can see in the server manager that whether we are in domain or not, which we made our domain. So we can see here. So yeah, I'm already in my domain. My domain name is parakadia.com. So that's it, guys. So Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you. See ya.